Thinking about moving to Dublin, California? Let me give you 5 reasons buyers keep choosing this growing Tri-Valley community. One of Dublin's biggest advantages is its housing. While many Bay Area cities are made up primarily of homes built in the 1950s and 1960s, much of Dublin has experienced tremendous growth over the past few decades. That means buyers often find newer homes with open floor plans, spacious kitchens, higher ceilings, energy-efficient construction, and modern community amenities. One thing I've noticed while helping buyers throughout the East Bay is this: many begin their search in Pleasanton and Fremont, but after comparing prices, they discover Dublin. They quickly realize they can often purchase a newer home, stay close to the same employment centers, and still enjoy many of the lifestyle benefits they're looking for. That's one of the reasons Dublin continues to attract so much attention. Take this home in the Parkton community by Truman Homes. At the time of filming, this community had already sold most of its available inventory, with only this floor plan, Resident 1, still available, offering approximately 2,425 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an open concept design, a spacious primary suite with a walk-in closet, upstairs laundry, and a low-maintenance backyard. It's exactly the kind of home many buyers are hoping to find. The good news? Even if Parkton sells out, there are still plenty of opportunities throughout Dublin, and that's one of the things that makes this city so appealing. If you're considering a move, I'd be happy to help you explore your options. For commuters, Dublin is hard to beat. The Dublin Pleasanton BART station provides direct rail service to Oakland and San Francisco, while Interstates 580 and 680 intersect right there, making travel throughout the East Bay, Silicon Valley, and even the Central Valley remarkably convenient. Whether you're driving or taking BART, Dublin offers flexibility that's difficult to find in many Bay Area communities. Location is one of Dublin's biggest strengths. From here, you're within reach of major employment centers throughout the Bay Area. Whether you're commuting to Pleasanton, Livermore, Walnut Creek, Oakland, San Jose, or San Francisco, Dublin's central location gives you options. For many buyers, that's a huge advantage. Life here is simply convenient. Everything from grocery stores and coffee shops to restaurants, fitness centers, and shopping is just minutes away. Whether you're spending an afternoon at Hacienda crossings, shopping at the nearby Stone Ridge Mall, or running everyday errands, Dublin makes it easy to spend less time driving and more time enjoying life. This may have been one of my biggest surprises. Dublin has invested heavily in its parks, trails, sports facilities, and community spaces, and it shows. Honestly, filming this video was difficult because I kept wanting to stop the camera and enjoy everything I was seeing. Everywhere I turned, there seemed to be another beautiful park, another walking trail, or another place where families were out enjoying the day. Needless to say, Dublin has officially earned a spot on our summer 2026 bucket list. And speaking of parks, let me show you one of my favorite discoveries. When it comes to hidden gems, I honestly didn't choose a restaurant. I chose Biddle Community Park. Why? Because I think it tells the story of Dublin better than almost anything else. People don't just buy homes, they buy weekends. They buy places where they walk the dog, meet neighbors, watch their kids play, and spend time with family. Biddle Community Park captures all of that. With wide open green space, walking paths, playgrounds, sports fields, and picnic areas, it's the kind of place that quietly becomes part of everyday life. What struck me most about Dublin was how intentional the city has been about creating space like this. Sometimes it's not the biggest attractions that make a city special. Sometimes it's the everyday place that slowly becomes your favorite place. Every buyer's priorities are different. Some buyers are looking for historic charm, others want newer construction, some prioritize schools, while others focus on commuting, affordability, or access to outdoor recreation. While I've really enjoyed sharing what makes Dublin special, I don't believe anyone should make a decision based solely on this video. Instead, use it as a starting point. Continue your search on your own, explore the community for yourself, and decide whether Dublin fits your lifestyle and goals. And if you'd like local guidance to help you through the process, I'd be honored to help. I'm Darlene Perry, your San Francisco Bay Area Real Estate Connector. I'll see you at the next Bay Area destination.